Hello there. Okay, so we're going to create another wedding kind of flyer, right? So just for celebrating these persons. The original designer's name is Joshua Graphics. You can check him out on Instagram, Facebook. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can recreate this design in a very short while. Even though I didn't get complete resources, but majority of what we need was gotten. Alright, so don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe so that you can follow everything we'll be doing on this channel. Like and let me know what you think about this design. So we're gonna go first. I'm going to show you the size. This is the size of the design. Alright, okay, so let's go. Let's just remove this background right here. Alright, so the next thing we want to do right now is to import the background that we'll be using for the design. To import the background that we'll be using for the design. And what background we're going to be using for the design. Alright, so I'm going to send everything to you. Alright, if you follow the instructions that I'm going to give you in the description, once you follow that instruction, you will get everything. So the first is the background right here. Alright, so this is the background. See that now? So I'm just going to centralize it right here like this. Now there are three images right here. We're going to add this. Let's add this. That's the first image. We're going to repeat it twice. Alright, we'll repeat this particular one twice, so just drag it and put it there. Alright, and make sure that it is centralized. Alright, so if you want to work on it a little, just increase the contrast just a bit, just small there, and then lock it, because if you don't lock it, it's going to start disturbing your work. Then I'm going to bring in the other one. This is the other design right here. Okay, so there's supposed to be another one, but I couldn't get it, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to reduce it somewhere there. Alright, then I'm going to come here. I'm going to do this. Then there is another one, okay, but we couldn't get that one, so what we're going to do now is to copy one of these, which is this one. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to rotate it like this. I'm going to bring it here. Alright, I'm going to bring it here. Alright, so we'll take this to the front like this. Now, so we've set a stage for this particular design. The next thing we want to do is to put this lens in this guy to blend some part of this design. Okay, so I'm just going to click here. So we'll select this color here, this one here. It's not 100% black, so just put it around this part here. So copy again. Let's put one of them here. Let's copy again. Let's put one around here. Alright, then let's copy again. Let's put one around here. Alright, so let's ensure that these guys are locked. So let's bring in this other guy. Alright, so I'm gonna put it somewhere here. So before that, let's just do this. Alright, just increase this a little. Don't forget to like the video and then share it with a friend. Alright, so I'm gonna drag this here like this. Alright, I'll put it there. Alright, still drag it there like this. Alright, so let's come here and get the text. So I'm going to use let's go royal right? So I'm going to use Troja because it looks more like the particular font that was used. Alright, so come here, just drag it like this. Alright, so close it up, that is, close up the spacing a little. Alright, so I have that. Then I can copy it and put it here. So we can use the word D here. I can reduce it. I can put it there. Alright, so this is looking too bold. So let's check for the others medium, regular rather. So let's come here and take regular. Alright, so after that we want to get this guy here. I want to get this. I want to fix it somewhere there. Alright, so somewhere, let's fix it somewhere here. Alright, somewhere here because we're gonna add the text. Okay, so let's fix it here. Let's drag it a little bit here. Alright, so let's come here and just make it obvious. Alright. So we have Happy Married Life at the back. Before that, we can get this flower. Alright, so this flower is going to be at the back of the design. So we'll put one here like this. Alright, we'll copy and put the other one here. Alright, we can drag this and put it like that. We can send to the back, send this onto the back too. Then send the background itself to the back, so that it will be like this. Get that now. So come here, you get the text. So the text we're going to put here is this. So I'm done with the typing. I'm just going to put it there. Alright, so it's going to be there very small like that. So from that part and drag it down there. So let's increase it. Alright, so there's another line there, so we can just copy this and put it here like this. Then we'll come here and we erase part of it, so we can just come here, just erase this one like this. Alright, so I have that. Then here we'll just add the text here, Happy Married Life. Happy Married Life. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. So let's do it like this. Alright, so let's still reduce it. Go back. So reduce. Still reduce it. Oh, come on. And rotate it like this. Then we can come here and increase the spacing, the line space. Alright, you can just come over here and just put it there. Alright, so if we want to make it bigger, we can just come over here and then just increase the size a little. Still reduce it, so put it there. Still reduce, fix it there. Right, so put it there. Right, so we can still reduce it. Alright, then still move it out a little. Copy this one and decorate it with this particular part here. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Alright, so this is basically this particular text is having a conflict with this one, so you have to let's push this one out to the front, to the top. So let's do this. Let's copy one 2 3 4. Let's take it to the top like this. Alright, so that we can push this one up here and push this one a little bit up. Right, so just like that. So you can see, take the text up a little, then move this one up a little, just small. Alright, so when you're done with your design, you go ahead and save it. Alright, save it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. When you're done saving, you want to head on to Snapseed. Head on to Snapseed, then you click, you open the design, and then you want to pop. Alright, then you want to click on tool, detail, and do this. Alright, then you go again, tool, detail, and do this. Alright, then this time you kind of push again. This time around, let's go to structure and just do it like this. Alright, so this is before, this is after. This is the before, this is the after. Alright, so when you're done, you just save your design and then you're good to go. My name is Niamuda. Thank you for watching to the end. Please like this video, tell me where you're watching from, and I will see you in the next one.